To get started, go to the link on screen or the first link in the description below. That's my referral link, and it takes you straight to the landing page that gets you the best current deal on NordVPN. And that'll take you to this landing page here. Now, it might look a little different when you click the link. They change the background every now and then, but this will always get you the best available deal. So you can go ahead and click the Get NordVPN button. That'll take you to this plan page where you'll see a few options: Basic, Complete, and Prime. Now, I recommend Complete for almost everyone. Basic, you can see, gets you the VPN itself. Complete adds a whole bunch of extra protective features. In addition to the VPN, you get monitoring for in case your email, phone, credit card, or ID information get leaked on the web, scam call protection, anti-malware and browsing protection, as well as an ad and tracker blocker and a password manager. It's only a small upgrade in price for a big upgrade in value. Now, if you only want the VPN itself, the basic plan is just fine. You'll still get everything we cover here. But regardless of which tier you choose, I recommend you choose the 1 or 2 year plan. The monthly plan is a lot more expensive per month, to the point where it's honestly not even really worth it. The trade-off with the annual plans is that you do pay everything up front, not month to month, but that's how you lock in your discount. Now, of course, that can make some people uncertain, so NordVPN makes it really clear that they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So all you have to do is request a refund through the live chat within those 30 days. It isn't automatic, you do have to ask, but it's super easy to do. So go ahead and click Get Deal on whichever plan you want. You'll land on the checkout page where you can go ahead and enter your email address, add any add-ons you want, or just scroll past them if you don't care for them, and complete your payment with whatever payment method you want. I'll use PayPal. When you've completed the payment, you'll get this confirmation page, and you can click Log in to Nord account. From there, simply follow the prompts to get logged into your account.